Hello, very good morning to you. A nice bright start to the day across the northwest of England. A few showers around today, and we can see over the next few hours or so these will crop up associated with rather blustery showers at times, especially for coastal areas. Potentially one or two heavy ones Isle of Man, Cumbria way with some hail within them. Elsewhere, some long dry spells to come, but it's breezy, temperatures average at best. Into this evening, and most of those showers tend to peter out before midnight, leading to a chilly night again, and temperatures will hover above freezing in towns and cities, but will dip low enough for a touch of frost in rural parts of Cheshire, especially tonight. A dry end to the night and indeed a fine start to the weekend here in the northwest. Chilly and bright, with winds increasing again through the day tomorrow and cloud building from the west through the afternoon. We'll notice some rain moving into the Isle of Man and later on Cumbria before the close of play, with brightness becoming confined to the southeast of our region tomorrow afternoon. 11 or 12 Celsius, winds freshening up as a band of rain moves through during tomorrow evening. And then Sunday should be generally dry and bright. You'll notice temperatures picking up a little bit into next week. It's also settling down with some decent sunshine ahead, and we'll lose the frost by night. Bye-bye. Thank you. Very good afternoon to you. Bright spells, but a few heavy blustery showers with perhaps a bit of hail in for parts of Cumbria and the Isle of Man through the rest of the afternoon, and a cool feel in that breeze. Mostly becoming dry after around midnight tonight, with a touch of frost for rural parts of Cheshire, and by the end of the night perhaps just a bit more of a freshening breeze for Irish sea coasts. That gives us a dry, chilly start to the weekend. Saturday a fine and sunny start for many of us. Cloud building, winds increasing again through the afternoon from the west, with rain moving into the Isle of Man, Cumbria, North Lancashire before the close of play tomorrow afternoon. 12 Celsius and blustery, with rain moving through tomorrow night. Bye-bye. And there should be some lovely sunshine over the next couple of days to get out and about. Also, the clocks go forward on Sunday morning. I'll have the full forecast later on. Thank you. Very good evening to you. Plenty happening this weekend. The clocks go forward on Sunday morning. Bright and breezy conditions weather-wise on both days, with a drop of rain moving in tomorrow night. And next week, temperatures are on the up. We also have a partial solar eclipse visible between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. tomorrow. Of course, we're not looking directly at the sun, but we have a fairly good chance here in the northwest of viewing it, particularly through the first part of the morning with clear skies for our part of the world. Now back to the details for this evening and overnight. Showers will tend to peter out over the next couple of hours or so, becoming increasingly clear. Still a bit of a breeze, so no real problems with mist or fog, but we will have a touch of frost tonight in rural parts, particularly Cheshire and Cumbria before dawn. A dry, chilly start to Saturday across the board, and temperatures up at 5:52, setting at 6:40 tomorrow evening. It's likely to be really nice to start the day tomorrow, and the best the sunshine will be through the first part of the day. Winds increase in strength through the afternoon, especially for Irish sea coasts, and cloud will tumble across the Irish Sea, bringing rain to the Isle of Man, later on Cumbria and Lancashire before the close of play tomorrow, with brightness being confined to the Peak District, Greater Manchester and Cheshire as we end the day. 12 Celsius around average or just above, quite a fresh breeze tomorrow, but after tomorrow temperatures will be on the up and you'll feel the benefit of some nice sunshine as we go through Sunday. But tomorrow night rain moves through, that clears away quickly, and the end of the weekend should be fine and dry. And next week temperatures well above average, 16 Celsius Monday and Tuesday, and staying dry. We'll lose frost by night too. Have a great weekend. Hello again, we made it to the weekend. Plenty happening weather-wise, bright and breezy conditions. Of course, there's going to be a drop of rain tomorrow night. The clocks go forward on Sunday morning, and next week temperatures in general are on the up. We also have a partial solar eclipse to enjoy tomorrow between 10 and 12 p.m. Probably really good viewing actually for our part of the world. We're not looking directly at the sun, as you know, but this is our area to see some lovely sunshine before it clouds up a little bit by around lunchtime. In the meantime tonight, clear spells, a fresh breeze, so no problems with mist or fog, but a touch of frost certainly away from towns and cities tonight, especially in rural Cheshire and Cumbria before dawn. A dry and chilly but bright start to the day tomorrow, with the sun up at 5:52, setting at 6:40 tomorrow evening. Saturday will start bright and breezy, lots of lovely sunshine, but a chill in the air. And through tomorrow afternoon, cloud will tend to build. Rain sweeps across the Irish Sea, Isle of Man moving into Cumbria by the end of the day tomorrow, and brightness becomes confined to the Peak District, certainly Greater Manchester and Cheshire by the end of the afternoon. Breezy and fresh with rain moving through tomorrow night. But Sunday will feel mild and will be bright. Good night.